Muhuraniri wa giturwa kia upresident na kiama gia Safina Jimi Wanjigi ni amurite wakiri Willis Otieno ta munini wake kuhitahitanira giturwa kia upresident mweri-ini wa kanana.
Diligent professional, a great friend, my brother, my young brother, Willis Otieno.
Willis Otieno arugamiriire kambeini cia Raila Odinga mwaka-ini wa 2017 riria ahuranagira giturwa kia upresident rungu rwa ngwataniro ya NASA.
All our competitors are telling you is that it's a distribution problem. That all we need to do is give 6,000 shillings to everybody and they'll be all right. That all we need to do is give more money to Mama Mboga and more wheelbarrows. Nobody is telling you where we are going to get the money to do that.
Wanjigi oigite Willis ni murata wa hakuhi na thutha wao kuonio rukungu kiama-ini kia ODM nikio matuire itua ria kuhuranira uma wa Akenya othe na gutigirira atongoria eyendi ni mathenga utongoria-ini.
He's one of those that has been in the forefront of pushing me and telling me, even as far back as 4 years ago, Jimmy, you can't let Kenyans down. The other startling face of this nation is that 80% of this nation are below the age of 40. Yet you have a government where the young, 80% of this nation, are not the face of the government.
Thutha wake kurugurio, Willis oigite tigiti wake na Wanjigi niguo mwihoko wa mamirioni ma Akenya aria maranyarire kaniukia na mathina maria marehetwo ni kwambatira kwa garama ya muturire.
You have chosen the easy way out and said, let me stay in my profession. Let me continue enjoying the little that I've made as a lawyer. But what about my neighbor who has gone to sleep angry? What about that young man who is dying because he is not able to pay for his health care?
Today, the statistics tell us that 63 out of 100 people are going to bed hungry. Are we better off? We are worse. And the same very people who have been there, they want to tell us they have a solution.
Ena ngoro ya budget ngoro-ini yake na ni ukoretwo uri undu muritu muno wa andu atongoria aria tukoretwo nao hau mbere na thirikari ya tukoretwo nacio ni citwiraga ciina ngoro ya andu ethi no moka ni implementation tutionete uhoro ucio.
Maya magithiaga na mbere Muini Reuben Kigame ona akiri urahuranira giturwa kia upresident ta mundu kiumbe niaruguririe ng'endo ta munini wake mehaririria-ini make hari kung'ethanira na aria matangathite gukahuranira giturwa giki. Hari kwa ura Wanjiku murigo wa moritu ma muturire, Kigame ni eranire kumurika na kinyi mathina maria matumite mathogora ma indo mambatire. Ribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.